Now we'll take a look at the top section of the panel, where we have two tabs, Dashboard and BE Form. When you click on the BE Form tab, you'll find a list of all the individual break-even goals, from BE01 all the way to BE23. By clicking on one of these, an input form for that goal will open up. However, before we delve into the detail to see how to input progress data, let's just take a look at the top part of the window to see how to quickly navigate between the different break-even goals. You can see that there are three sections: sites, employees, and product. All the break-even goals are divided into one of these three sections. Currently, break-even goals 01 to 09 are listed under sites, break-even goals 10 to 14 are listed under employees, and break-even goals 15 to 23 are listed under product. By clicking on any of these sections, you can then see the relevant goals and quickly navigate from one to the other. Now let's look at the detail of one of these forms listed under sites. You can see that the form is divided into two sections. We will explore the top section under the Show Indicators button in the next video. The rest of the form contains the individual sites owned or operated by the organization. For the goals listed under employees, the detail will be recorded against the employee groups. For the goals listed under product, the detail will be recorded to the individual products and services, except for BE04, procurement, and BE20 to 23, which are all the governance goals. We will look at these in a separate video. By clicking on a site, we can then input the data relevant to that site for a specific year. The first field is relevance, and is the same for every goal. Here you should confirm whether the year should be included or excluded because not relevant, or excluded because you don't have enough data, or excluded for any other reason. You then select the year and input the data required for that particular goal. In this case, you need to record whether a site assessment has been carried out and waste is produced or not. If waste is produced, you input the amount. We can also see the reference year and the amount of waste for that year which we have already recorded in the site record. Finally, every form has a comments section where you can make notes. Once you have finished inputting data, go to the bottom of the page and press Submit. If you forget to press Submit and click onto another form, the system will flag that you have unsaved changes. In the next video, we'll explore the Indicators section of the BE Form and the dashboard for the whole organization.